Now we want to make the effect that when user click on the input box, the tooltips will appear. When we click outside, the tooltips will disappear. So now we back to the headers and we go to add a state, which is show tooltips, and we set the initial state as false. And we want to show the tooltips when the user is clicking inside the input box, but it want to set it false to make it disappear when we click outside the input area. And now we want to use the show tooltips to control, and this should be set show tooltips rather than show tooltips. And we want to use this state to control the search tip, so we use the show tooltips and put and save it. Now we back to our website and we try to click on this. Now you can see the tooltips appear, and when we click outside, this will disappear.